I think that this is a very aggressive response by the Fire and Police Commission to a bunch of problems that are visiting their house, and they're distracting from the problems that exist within that commission. Nonetheless, the chief will make every effort that he can to comply with all the directives that after review he finds to be legitimate and warranted. And
So is that suggestion that some of the directives are not warranted or legitimate?
I've just heard them, as you did, running through them, and I'm not prepared to make a statement about any individual one of those directives at this point in time.
Is this personal, do you think?
It's hard to see that it doesn't have an element of personality involved.
From who?
From
Anyone
the commission against the chief.
Anyone specifically on the commission? The executive director? the
I'll
chair?
just leave it at that and let the public decide based on recent publicity about interactions about the chairman of the commission and other members of the commission.
So what's your next move and when will it happen?
Well, I think now it's up to the chief and his executive staff to go over these directives and to have conversations among themselves and to make their very best effort to comply with all the directives to the extent that they haven't already been complied with. And I think I feel safe to say that much of the information that they requested here today has already been provided to them many times, and they've been privy to the transactions to which they relate.
Has the FTC ever issued a list of directives like this before?
Not in my memory, okay? But my memory only goes back 60 years. So that's when I graduated from law school, and I've been following the Fire and Police Commission for many years and served 5 years as a commissioner myself during a period of time when there were very, very serious questions about bias being practiced in the hiring and promotion of minorities in this community. That is no longer a problem at all under the stewardship of Chief Morales.
Despite what happened today, what do you say to the people who are outside calling for your client's job?
Well, I think the public has a right to free speech under the First Amendment, but they are acting based on perceptions and not reality or facts.
Chief, do you think you've been made the political fall guy in all this? That with
He's not going to get engaged in the conversation.
Okay, well then you tell me. Do you think he's been made the political fall guy in all this?
Yes.